love shopping for cleaning tools or organizing tools, or even if you don't love it, but you just need to do it, or you own a cleaning business and you want to find like a one-stop shop for all your cleaning needs, check out my Amazon shop, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. You can hit the little like button so you can see whenever I post new items. It doesn't come from me personally. These are products that you would buy on Amazon that I personally use. About 90% of them I use, or I love, or I've used in the past, or I want to use in the future, or whatever it is. Things that I like: cleaning tools, organizing tools, clothes, kid stuff, pet stuff, just things that I like that you can buy on Amazon. Check out my Amazon shop. They are affiliate links, so I will earn some commission if you use my links. Even if you don't buy the product, but you use my link to enter through Amazon, you buy something else, that'll still help me out. So use my Amazon link right there. It's /shop/Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. Check it out. Let me know if there's any products that you don't see that you would like, and I can give you my Amazon affiliate link, and it will help me out greatly. So check that out, and thanks for watching.